Hey guys, Jeff here with Fat Kids Barbecue. Welcome back. So today we got the Weber gas grill outside warming up. We're going to get that guy up to about 350, 375. We're going to do one of my favorite dishes. We're getting back to my roots here. So we're going to be doing a grilled chicken Parmesan. Ah, it's going to be so delicious. Just can't wait. All right, so let's get started. So what we're going to do is we're going to start out, we're going to make our own rub to use. So I will put the directions down below and the ingredients to this rub right in here. But we're using a teaspoon, half a teaspoon of basil. We're going to use half a teaspoon of garlic powder. We'll use half a teaspoon of onion powder. Well, maybe. And that's good. Half a teaspoon of oregano. If you go over a little, so what? It'll just give it a little more flavor. Then we're going to use half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper. That'll give it a nice, kick it up a notch for us. This is going to be real simple. We'll just mix that up a little. We are going to put a little bit of black pepper in there. And then some fresh ground salt. I think that'll do it. That gives us a nice rub. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our chicken breast. We're going to take it out and we're going to check it out and see what we need to do to it to prep it. So I think I will flatten this out a little. So we're going to take some saran wrap, put it right over the top, and then we'll beat this guy down. Just make it cook a lot more even. You don't have to go too crazy since we're grilling it. If we were frying this and battering this, I'd go thin and I'd get the mallet out and I'd really beat the heck out of it. I noticed the cats ran away when I got this thing out. They don't want any part of this. So, alright, that looks beautiful. That looks really good. So, what we'll do next is we're just going to take a little bit of EVO. We use EVO as our binder. And then we'll get our rub. My hands are wet. You don't want the rub sticking to your fingers. We'll just sprinkle the rub right over the top. Oh, is that going to be good? Oh. Oh, would you look at that? That is gorgeous. Then we'll get the other side. Get a little more EVO. Oh, is this beautiful? That's fantastic. So now what we'll do, we have 2 chicken breasts. So we'll get the second one up here. Now you can see why I put the wrap down first. Look at that puppy. That is beautiful. I am going to put these on a plate and stick them in the refrigerator for probably, I don't know, 15 minutes or so. I would like our Italian rub here to adhere a little bit better. Now you're probably wondering, what is he going to use for a sauce? Well, I made a nice tomato sauce, and I have that going on the stove behind us. I made that earlier today. What I'll do is, if you remember a couple of weeks ago, I made a spaghetti and meatballs, and I did my mother's meat sauce and her meatballs. Well, I'll put a link to that up above here, and you can just click on that and that'll give you the recipe. The only thing I did different is I'm doing a pure tomato sauce. I didn't add any meat into it today, and you'll see why. So now we'll get this guy ready so he can hang out with his friend. Oh, is that a beautiful piece of chicken? Oh, that's fantastic. And then we get some rub on it. I don't have to go too crazy with the rub. Oops, I forgot the EVO. So we can put it on top. If you ever do that, you ever forget like I just did, still apply it. It's gonna help. Oh, is that a beautiful piece of chicken? That's great. Now we use the rest of our rub. And we made just enough for these 2 pieces of chicken. This is great. Oh, look at that. Alright guys, so what we'll do is we're going to let these guys hang out in the refrigerator for the next 15 or 20 minutes, then we'll get them out on the Weber. Alright, so it's been about 20 minutes. Time to get our chicken out on the grill here. Oh, does that look spectacular? Alright guys, so we're back in the kitchen. What I didn't tell you before, I made a comment that we're getting back to my roots. My first job, 14 years old, I worked as a dishwasher in an Italian restaurant. Ate all kinds of chicken Parmesan. Anyhow, this is some serious looking chicken breast here. These guys are unbelievable. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna take our sauce that we whipped up earlier today. We're going to just layer some sauce over the top. As you can see, we'll set that back on the stove. I've got the broiler warming up. So we're going to take our cheese. This is simply some mozzarella cheese. I've seen people put mozzarella and Parmesan. Do what you like. You're the one who's eating this. Now we'll get this in the oven. Oh my goodness. We just have to use up the rest of this cheese. This is going to be spectacular. Unbelievable. So we got that in the broiler. It'll take probably just about a minute or two. We'll keep a close eye on it. While our cheese is melting, we also prepared some spaghetti. So we'll take the spaghetti out of our pan here. We're gonna lay this out. Oh boy. Is that spectacular. That's a lot of pasta. will put a little, just a little sauce over the top. All right, so the moment of truth is here. Oh, this guy looks, wow. Does that look amazing? That is unbelievable. Wow. So we'll put one right over the top. And put this guy right beside. Now, that is one heck of a dinner. Alright guys, if you like what you see, please click that like button down below. Subscribe to the channel so you can see what we're cooking next. Ay, ay, ay.